I'm Dr. Terri Alani, the Texas Tooth Lady. Thank you for subscribing to my channel where we try to inform you of the latest in dentistry. Today we have an amazing snap-on smile. This patient has wanted a beautiful smile all her life. And today you're going to see the reveal because we're going to deliver it to her. How are you?
Hello, I'm doing great. I'm excited.
Okay, great. So tell me why you came in to see us.
Well, I came to you because of the fact that I wanted a beautiful smile. I had went and tried braces, I've had whitening, and then they wanted to break my jaw, they wanted, and I was fed up with it. I seen your YouTube video and it brought my way down here.
So what was the reason, like you didn't go with veneers or anything like that?
Well,
which is a little bit more permanent.
Well, with the veneers, I was told by several orthodontists and cosmetic surgeons that the way my bite was,
you would break them.
I would break them.
Yes, because veneers aren't for everyone, especially if a patient has an end-to-end bite, they can break. So thank goodness we've got the option for snap-on. So are you excited today?
Yes, I'm delirious.
Okay, delirious is a great word. So hang on, I'm going to show the viewers what your teeth look like.
Yes, ma'am.
So go ahead and smile, bite down. Her teeth are beautiful, they really are pretty. The problem is she wants them whiter and she has a lopsided smile. Your teeth are shorter, correct, on this side than this side. Am I correct?
Yes, ma'am.
And that's really what's bothering her.
Yes, ma'am.
And if you turn to the left a little bit, you can see she's got some gaps and her teeth are angled a little bit. And you might think this is minor for you YouTube viewers, but how much has this bothered you?
46 years.
46 years. She's telling her age. This woman looks good. Turn towards me. Bite down. And I know a lot of you will say, well, I'd give anything to have her teeth, but this is important for her. We fabricated both upper and lower snap-on smiles, and the reason we've done it is we're trying to straighten out the angle of her teeth. So this is the upper, and this is the lower. Beautiful, straight, white. So let's get right to it and see what it looks like. All right, so we're getting ready to try them in. Take a look again, folks. You can see her smile is totally angled. It's angled from one side to the other, and when she smiles, it's something that really bothers you, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so that's what we're doing, is we're creating her an even smile. All right, so we're getting ready for the big reveal. I know you're nervous.
Yes, I'm sweating.
You're sweating, because this is exciting. I can tell you're emotional. Should we get the Kleenex out?
Oh, yeah, I'm a big tit sack.
Okay, and we've got her daughters here, so her daughter's going to come in, and we're actually going to do a Facebook Live with this, so we can get her reaction, because this is actually what makes us love our job. So we're going to go ahead and snap in the upper, and they literally snap into place. So this is the upper appliance, and I just want to show you the difference in the color and the difference in the shape. And they literally snap into place. You can tell it is perfect at the gum line, and her smile is no longer crooked, it is even. We also did a lower, so now we're going to do the lower. Some people do upper, lower, some people do both. She chose to do both to get a nice even smile. Again, it snaps into place. I want you to bite down, smile. She now has even. Go ahead and take a look. Open for me. Now, we're going to talk here, so say 66.
66.
That's really important. Church?
Church.
Fire truck?
Fire truck.
Okay, so you ready for the reveal? I'm nervous. Okay, I hope she likes them, because she hasn't seen them. Are you ready?
I haven't seen them yet.
Okay, ready?
What do you think?
Do you like them? You like them? Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3.
Ah.
Okay, so this is where we always get the Kleenex box, because I have to use it. It's so emotional. Wow. You love them, huh? Is it what you wanted? Yay, yay. This one makes my day. And you're crying. She's crying. We're all crying.
Oh, they're beautiful.
They're beautiful. Yeah, they're beautiful. I mean, when I first saw them, I was like, oh my God, this is totally different.
Look at them still shaking.
I know. I know.
I've waited so long to have this. I'm sorry.
Come give your mom a hug.
Look.
Oh my gosh, it's just so emotional. You know, it's funny because this job is so rewarding, and you think something so small makes such a big difference for people. I can totally relate. I mean, these are patients that have wanted a big smile for so long. I mean, a beautiful smile for so long, and didn't think it was affordable. You know, because of your situation, you were not a candidate for veneers.
No,
You
they
were
told me
not.
that.
So it wasn't that she couldn't afford it, she just wasn't a candidate. And so what else are you going to do? And they developed Snap-on Smile. Not only is it affordable, it's absolutely beautiful. And now you just have you have beautiful teeth. She's got beautiful teeth.
You like them?
So I'm going to tell you guys bye. On YouTube, we're going to finish doing Facebook Live. I'm Dr. Terri Alani. Please subscribe. This is amazing. Thanks for watching.